Now student, today we are going to learn the exercise 6.3 question number 5 6 problem, which is based on the square and square root. We have to find the square root of the square number so obtained. Means it is not a square number. We have to make it first square and then we will find the perfect square, and after getting perfect square we will find the square root of that perfect square. So I have taken question number 5 6 problem 768. So I will find first factors. I will divide by 2. 2 3 are 6, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 1 are 2, 2 9 are 18, 2 2 are 4, 2 9 are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 8 are 16, 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8, 2 12 are 2 6 are 2 3 are and 3 1 are. Now look at here how many pairs of 2 are there? 4 pairs, and no pair of 3, only 1 3 is there. So this is the smallest whole number which doesn't make the pair with the right. So I will write the factors 768 2 into 2 into 2 into 8 times and then 3. Now as it is not perfect square, means there is a one pair left of 3, so we have to multiply on both the side by the 3. So I will multiply by 3 on that side and also on that side to 768. So I would get 8 3s are 24, 4 20 0 2 2304. Now I will find the square root of this 2304. So finding the square root means getting the one factor out of the pair. So here 2 2, because there are 4 pairs, so I will write 2 4 times and one pair of 3. Now I will multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 3s are 48. So we have find the square root of a perfect square that we have got after multiplying 3, right? So in this way we can solve the question number 5 problem. Now in question number 6 they have asked us to, for which of the following numbers find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. Means now we will divide by the factor which does not make the pair to the given number. Suppose I am taken 2800, fifth problem of 6. So I will divide unpaired number to this and I will get the perfect square. Then I will find the square root of that. So let's divide my prime number. So I will take 2 14, again 2 7, again 2 2 5s are 10, again 2 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, and 2 5s are now 5, 2 5 3s are 15, and 5 5s are now 5, again 7s are, so it would come 7 1s are 7. Now I will write factor of that. So I found that the pair of 2 is formed, 5 is formed, but 7 is not formed. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 5 into 5, and this 7 is on alone. So I will divide by this 7. So I will write here 2800 upon 7 and 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. I will make pair of that. So what is the division question? 7 fours are 28, 400. So I got 400. Now square root of 400 is equal to the one factor out of the pair, that is 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So we got both the question answer, that is which is the smallest whole number by which we will divide. So that was 7, and which number we will get after the dividing, we have to find the square root. So square root of 400 is 20. Now in question number 7, the student of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2401 in all. 2401 in all means total money. Total money they got. Total money is 2401 rupees. Now for the Prime Minister National Relief Fund, each student donated as many rupees as the number of students. Suppose there are 20 students, so each student donate 20. Like that there is a concept. So find the number of students in the class. So how we can find the number of students? So for that unknown number of students we will take x. Let x be the number of students. So the money given by x student each is also x, right? So that is money given by each student is also is equal to the number of students into each student, right? So that is x, which is equal to x square. So first we will find the what is the number of students, and then we will find the square root of that to get the money given by each students. So I will take 2401 to find the factors. So here last is 1, so I will divide by 7 because divisibility test 7 is matching with that. 7 3s are 21, 3 remaining, 7 4s are 28, and again 3. Again 7, 7 4s are 28, 6 remaining, 6 and 3 63, so 7 9s are. Now 49 is 7 square, so 7 7s are, and here last 7. Now I will take 2401 equal to, in bracket, 7 into 7 into 7, right? Now I will make the pair, then 7 into 7. So I got the answer of number of students. So number of x is equal to 7 7s are 49. So the number of students is 49. Now we will take the question number 9. I am reading that find the smallest square number that is divisible by, means square number we have to find which is divisible by each of the numbers 4 9 10, divisible by 4 9 or and 10, means all these number will divide the smallest square number. So whenever there is a word smallest, so student we will think about the smallest multiple, and that smallest number multiple will be calculated from LCM. So we will find the LCM of 4 9 10. So I will find here 4, 9 and 10. I will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 9, 2 5s are 10. So 9 as it is, right? So in this 2 2s are 4, 9 as it is, and 2 5s are 10. Again I will choose 2, 2 1s are 2, 9 as it is, 5 as it is. Then I will take 3. One by one we will take the factor. 1, 3 3s are 9, and then 5. Then again 3. So 3 1s are 3 and 5 as it is. Then I will take 5. 5 1s are 5. Now I got the dividend 0. That is, now I have made the pair of 2 3, but there is one pair left, that is of 5. So now I will find the number by multiplying these factors. 2 into 2, 3 into 3 and 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and 36 5s are 180. Now students, prime factorization of 180 we have to find, right? So prime factorization of 180 is same like this, right, as 180 is looking here. So in that prime factors there is a one pair left, that is of 5. So we will multiply 5 on both sides as done in the question number 6, right? So in that we will multiply on both the side. So 18 5s are 185s are 900, and here 2 pair are easily made. So the square number only we have to find, that is 900. 900 is that square number to which is that square number to which 4, 9 and 10 will divide, right? So in this way students, we can do the question number 10 also by referring question number 9. Thank you.